Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are going to be doing Diwali shopping today. Some exciting shopping. So we'll be taking you guys along, and let's see what all we get. We are very excited to go because we've always gone to Abu Dhabi Mall. So Abu Dhabi Mall has really good stores, amazing stores. Especially Risha loves Abu Dhabi Mall. So
And we have to buy some stuff for Diwali also, like diyas and many things.
Many things. Yeah, we are very,
for
very
puja,
excited.
for puja and everything. So we don't know where we get that. So we are just going across and find everything that we want. And yeah, it's going to be very exciting because we are in new country. And this is our first Diwali in Abu Dhabi, so it's going to be very exciting.
Yes, very exciting. We
Yeah.
are very, very excited. So stay tuned. We'll show you across as we reach. So stay tuned to the vlog.
So guys, we are here in H&M and we have finally selected Manu's clothes. Were not getting his size and the thing which we wanted anywhere. So we wanted something basically which goes for Diwali and like formal, something like formals. So we have got for him, and yeah, this is a white shirt with a tie. So this is what we are going to take for him, and we are going to take him this black color jeans, that is a stretchable jeans. So yeah, we have selected his clothes now. You can see the collection. They have wonderful collection around, and the clothes are very good. They even have two-piece like this. So we are even planning to take something different for him so that he can wear it for his wear it outside also. So yeah, this is what we have took for him. It is for Diwali and I hope he will like it. And yeah, so Manu is going to go a bit formal for this Diwali, and yeah, he's going to look very handsome and I'm very much excited.
Hey guys, so finally the shopping done, and absolutely fabulous collection we have got. Brands never disappoint, so we went to Zara, H&M, I think Forever, Mango, lot of places.
Yeah.
The collection is amazing. Of course, we'll be showing it to you across later on. Manu got the best clothes. You wanna
Even
love
I
it?
got the best.
Yes, she has got the best clothes.
We'll show you the shopping also in the
And
video.
I also, for a change, got a best clothes. So generally I don't get that crazy clothes, but I've got amazing clothes this time. So I'm very, very happy. And yeah, obviously Ankita always says that let's go to the best brands, so it never disappoints.
They never disappoint you. You get everything that you. Yeah, so from here we will be going for the Diwali shopping, like for the Lakshmi Pujan shopping. So even that is going to be a hard task because, as I said, we don't know what we get and where we are going to get whatever we want, because there are many small things that we'll have to search for. And yeah, it's going to be tough, but yes, we will be enjoying it a lot. We couldn't show you while we were shopping, but because the cameras were not allowed inside. But yeah, we will be showing all the shopping to you once we reach home. Hey, hi everyone. So we have come here for puja shopping, and this is day 2, and we are going to shop for Lakshmi Pujan. As I told you, we don't know anything, and we have searched a lot for this kind of shops where we get all this kind of puja material. So we have got one, and its name is Vrindavan, and they many of them have told us that you will get everything here. So this is the shop behind me. As you can see, they are not allowing us to do the shooting inside. There's no camera allowed inside, so we have come out, and I'm just showing you because I can't take the camera inside, but I'll shop everything and I'll see if I get everything there, and I hope I get everything there. And yeah, so I'll show you what we get once we reach home. So yeah. So hi everyone, welcome back to the blog. As I told you that it was tough to get all the things for Diwali, but yeah, we have successfully got everything, and there were 2-3 people who helped us and told us where we are going to get what we want, and we have got each and everything. So yeah, so finally the Diwali shopping is done, and I'll show you what we have got. There are some basic things that we had to get for Diwali which I have not brought from India, and this is our first Diwali year. So yeah, I'll just show you what we have got. So this is all that we wanted. This is the colors that I was not getting anywhere, but we got it. Then this is some puja stuff. Then these are some batis, some diyas. These diyas I've got from H&M. They are scented diyas, so they are very nice. I've already used one and seen how it smells. Some dhoop, rangoli, flowers, and this is the. So yeah, this is a tone jeans that I got. Then this is a sleeveless top. It's a long top. Then this is a bell bottom jeans that I got again. This is all from jeans I got from which brand did I get it from? Yeah, I got it from American Eagle. Yeah, then I got this top from H&M. Then I got this leather jacket also. I know I am just keeping it anyhow, but I am not able to show it, and Manas has gone to office, so I have to show it to you alone. So yeah, this is what I've got. Then I've got one perfume from Zara. As you can see, it's a beautiful perfume. I had tested it first, and then. So guys, this was the Diwali shopping that we did for ourselves, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. And yeah, stay tuned with us, keep watching the vlogs, and yeah, there are many fun vlogs going to come in the coming days. So yeah, it was good. It was very fun shopping for the Diwali in UAE, and we all have enjoyed a lot. And yeah, so thanks for watching the video, and like the video, subscribe the video, and stay safe. Bye bye.